Your first question: which of these is a fruit? Your options are A. Potato, B. Carrot, C. Apple, D. Spinach. Your option is C. Apple. Your second question: which animal says meow? A. Dog, B. Bird, C. Cow, D. Cat. Your correct option is D. Cat. Your third question: which of these can fly? A. Elephant, B. Fish, C. Bird, D. Tiger. Your correct option is C. Bird. Your fourth question: what do we drink that is clear and has no color? A. Juice, B. Milk, C. Water, D. Soda. Your correct option is C. Water. Fifth question: which part of the body do we use to see? A. Ears, B. Eyes, C. Nose, D. Mouth. Your correct option is B. Eyes.